Hello everyone! Come along with me on my first 2 days in Amsterdam. Hangin yarn? Hapon na din kaming lumapag sa airport, kaya pagdating namin sa hotel, paglapag ng gamit, naglakad-lakad na rin muna kami at naghanap ng makakainan. Sa Chinese restaurant din kami kumain kasi yung ibang restaurant dito ay walang kanin. Actually, majority hindi sila nag-rice. And amoy MJ talaga kahit saan kami lumiko. Then, we headed to Darmstadt para itry yung churros. We wanted to get them the night before, pero sobrang dami ng tao that we decided to come back the next day instead. We also tried the strawberry with matcha katayufi. Grabe, sobrang sarap niya. And for our second day, nag-detour kami sa Zanzazan, sorry I don't know how to pronounce it, Marken, Volendam, and Edam. Una kami nag-stop sa Zanzazans kung saan makikita yung mga iconic na Dutch windmills and ipapaliwanag nila sa'yo kung paano nag-work yung windmill.
Each frame is having a weight of 1,700 kilograms, 3,400 pounds each. And they are not go up and down at once, but after each other. It's not lying on the floor. He's lying on a wooden wagon. The wooden wagon underneath the lock is transporting him through the blades. When we start him up, every time when the saw frame is going up, he pulls the wagon with the lock on 1 millimeter forward. Down, sawing.
After that, sumakay naman kami ng boat papuntang Volendam. And kahit walang bubong yung boat, okay lang kasi malamig naman yung weather that time. And habang nasa biyahe, nagde-daydream lang ako kasi I still couldn't believe na nasa Amsterdam ako at nakasakay sa boat. Boat nga ba yan? Anyway, pagdating sa Volendam, we visited a cheese factory kung saan pinapaliwanag nila kung paano ginagawa yung famous Dutch cheese. And after that, marami pa kaming napuntahan pero hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-video kasi I was too focused sa pakikinig sa history ng place. And dito na rin kami nag-lunch before continuing our tour. So, ayan yung mga foods. And after lunch, nagpunta naman kami sa Marken. Dito pinakita sa amin kung paano ginagawa yung famous Dutch wooden shoes. Meron silang live demonstration gamit yung isa sa pinakalumang machines na ginagamit pa rin nila hanggang ngayon. And ang dami din namin natutunan about sa history behind these traditional wooden clogs na ginagamit pa rin nila hanggang ngayon dito. And then our last stop was Edam. Naglakad-lakad lang kami around the town, admired the peaceful streets and beautiful old houses, and learned more about its rich history. It was the perfect way to end our day before heading back dahil meron kaming, I guess, 2 hours para makabalik sa hotel. And this is it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!